In this video, we're going to talk about supplemental listings. Supplemental listings are non-MLS listing data. So they're listings that you would add into your IDXBroker account, like for sale by owners or maybe international listings or something of that type. And they would show up in your IDXBroker search results when people search if the filters match the data for the property. And they also would show up on your supplemental listings page. So if you use your supplemental listings page, you could actually use it for a certain purpose. You could use it for anything you want, but it would be non-MLS listing data. So log into your IDXBroker account and you're going to come over here to listings and then supplemental, and then you're going to click on create new. Now you're going to add the listing data just like it was in the MLS. So you're going to start by selecting your MLS. If you have multiple MLSs, you'll select the one that it applies to. And if you have two MLSs and you want to add it to both of them, then you have to add it separately to both MLSs. Select your property type and your sub-property type. And then you're going to, if you have an agent, if you have a multi-agent account, you'll select the agent who is the listing agent here, or you can leave it blank. And then you're going to enter your data. So we're just going to go ahead and add something here. And let's go. Make sure you choose the status as active. If this is out of the state or out of the country, then you're going to go ahead and put the same information in. You're just not going to choose anything for the state unless it makes you. So go ahead and fill in all the details. And if you have a virtual tour, you can fill in this and put the link there. And then once you're done filling it out, you're going to click Add Property. Now, once you've added the property, come back over here and click on Supplemental, and you should see your listing here now. And you're going to come over here and you're going to click on Edit Images. And this is where you're going to add images. So you can go ahead and click New Image, and you can add them from your computer. Maximum size is 1 megabyte, and you have up to 10 images. So go ahead and add your images here. And once you've added them, click on the Start Upload, and it will upload the images. Once you've uploaded your images, it'll give you the opportunity to rearrange them in the order that you want them to be. So that will be the listing pictures. And then the other thing that you can do is you can come over here and you can edit geolocation. You can do that from right here. Or if you go back to the supplemental screen, there will be an icon on the right-hand side that you can click on. So the geolocation is important. You want to make sure that it is correct. And you can actually zoom out on your map if you'd like. And you can move the location. Let's say it is international, and you want to move it somewhere over here. You can move it to wherever it needs to be and just zoom in and put it exactly where the listing is. So that would be kind of the best way to do it if you're doing it internationally. And otherwise, you can also do it by the address. You can put that here and you can click on lookup and it'll bring it to wherever it is, and you can just zoom right in on it and just make sure it is properly placed, and then move it if necessary, and then hit save. And that is it. So once you have all that done, then your listing is ready to go, and it will show up in the listing search when somebody searches on your website as a featured listing, and it will also show up on the supplemental listings page. If you have any questions about supplemental listings, shoot us an email over at support@yoursiteneedsme.com or give us a call. Thanks for watching.